So let's just go. Let's just be free.
Hello guys, welcome to another video. My voice is a bit gone this time because I just made a very lengthy video about all the poles. I'll put a link in the description and you can also see the video at the end of this video. You can just click on it if that's possible, I think. So yeah, I'll try to recommend the video at the end as well. But today we're going to talk about the Vario Carbon Ladies version. So this pole is for people between 140 centimeters tall and 175 centimeters tall. And the length of the pole is a minimum of 100 centimeters and a maximum of 120 meters. So that is the first negative that we see for this pole. It doesn't go that short, so you cannot make it very short. The reason this may be a negative is when you're setting up a tarp, you may want shorter poles, or if you want it extended already, it is pretty long if you want to put it on your backpack and not like folding it up each time that you want to use it. So if you want to keep it like extended, the negative is with this one is that you cannot make it that short. If you want it like half extended, for example, you can put it like this, but this on itself is around 100 centimeters. I'll take my measurement tape and we can double check if it is indeed 100 centimeters. Okay, so maybe that's a positive for the people that find that a negative. I am measuring here 81 centimeters. So I can actually make it shorter than what is stated on the website. So on the website and on the cardboard itself, it says a minimum length of 100 centimeters. But if you want it not folded, and for example you want to use it for tarp, it does go to 82 centimeters. But this is not a usable length, I think. I think you will damage the pole if you use it like this. So the minimum usable length then would be when you hear the click. So that was a click, and then you can use it, and that is a minimum of 100 centimeters. So what? Oh, so this one is also 230 grams per pole. So then you know that. So in total that's 460 grams for this pole. So it's pretty light for trekking poles, I think, at least from my experience. So yeah, this is how you fold it again. Okay, so this is how it looks folded, and we'll go very quickly from the bottom to the top. You get this one, you get the protective tip. It's a very light plastic, looks very cheap in my opinion, so it's not a very high grade plastic. I wouldn't use this on the road, for example, if you want to protect your tip. So this is just for, I think, just for show and just for selling. Not just selling, just for protecting the box when it's being sent to you. So I don't think this is very road safety, and I think it says remove protective cap before use. That is what it says here on this transparent plastic. So this is not intended for use. So moving on to the tip, this is a very standard trekking pole tip. I don't know if this is a flexible tip or not. It doesn't say here, I think. So yeah, I don't know, it doesn't feel flexible at least. and it's not removable. And as I mentioned in the other video as well, is that this thing here, you have to remove it if you want to add a snow basket, for example. And with some other poles like the Black Diamond I made a video about, you don't have to remove it to add another basket. You can just add a basket under the other basket, or add a new basket under the other basket. So it's more adjustable in that way.
Just crazy.
So that is how you remove the basket it comes with. And then you see the screw it's attached to. The one with Black Diamond is you have a longer screw, which allows it to, you can add more stuff on it if needed. But this one comes with a protective thing here, which prohibits that, and because it's short, it's not even possible. So keep in mind with that. So yeah, this basket is made of plastic. I think that's usual with all baskets with trekking poles. And when you come here, this is made from carbon fiber, and you can also feel it. Made from carbon fiber. I think this is just metal, so this is not carbon fiber, this thing. I think that's also to keep it sturdy and stable. Because also note, if you're looking to buy carbon fiber poles, do know that they may be less durable and can break more easily compared to aluminium. But the benefit of carbon fiber, it is lighter, but keep in mind it is less strong than having aluminium poles. So keep that in mind. Carbon fiber is strong, of course, but people usually go with carbon fiber to go lighter, and aluminium is a bit heavier, but it's more durable. Moving on to this piece over here. This is made of plastic again. With the Black Diamond, it was made of metal. I don't know what metal, maybe aluminium or a different type of metal. But this here is plastic, and it does feel like cheap plastic, and it's kind of bendable. So it doesn't feel that durable. And keep in mind, these poles cost 170 euros here in the Netherlands, while the Black Diamond costs 130 euros. And this one, with the Black Diamond, it feels more durable than the 170 euros Lakey. But I think the price goes up for the Lakey due to the carbon fiber. Moving on to this part here. I don't know what this is here, but it is made of plastic in this side. So the only carbon fiber I am seeing is from the poles. So here, with carbon fiber, and it does stop itself, so you cannot pull it out. So that's nice. But the pieces that you see that are blue, so this, and this, I think maybe also, no, this is plastic. So from what I'm seeing is only these three pole pieces are made of carbon fiber, while the rest is plastic or synthetic or other metals. So do keep that in mind when you are buying this, because you do see online it says 100% carbon fiber, but don't expect that each piece or every piece of the pole is carbon fiber. Like this is plastic mostly, a bit of metal here in the screws, plastic here as well, and a bit of metal. Here a bit of metal, plastic, and metal again. And moving on to the handle. The handle does feel nice, and it does have a nice ergonomic shape. Kind of feels the same as the Black Diamond handle, so there's not really that much of a difference there. With the women's version with Lakey, you do get kind of a smaller grip, and I can kind of feel it in comparison with the Black Diamond. So keep that in mind if you're ordering the women's version. If you have like I don't know, long fingers, you may like touch your palm here. I mean, I am a man, but you also have women with long fingers, so it doesn't really matter. So just keep in mind if you have long fingers, or just test the poles and see if it feels nice. sturdy. Moving on to the top, this also feels plastic and rubber at the top here, and plastic, the pink pieces, feels kind of like, I don't want to say cheap plastic, but it just feels like plastic. And move on to this one as well. It feels less durable than the black diamond. I don't know what this is called, the handle holder or your hand holder thingy. But yeah, it feels less durable in my opinion. And this one is it feels kind of clumsy or too rough for me personally, because you have to really open it and then adjust it and then close it. Some people may like that, because with the black diamond it doesn't have that mechanism, and yeah, it may slip, but I haven't experienced any slippage, because when you pull down it kind of locks itself, you can say. And with this one it's extra, so this one is not moving anywhere, because you actually like lock it in place yourself. So to keep this video short, that was the Lakey Micro Vario Carbon Lady. It's a nice pole, but keep in mind you do not have any anti-shock. It is a bit expensive for what you're getting. You're not getting anti-shock, you're not getting an extra snow basket. You're getting little carbon fiber in my opinion. You're also getting you're not getting removable tip here, and this one also feels a bit cheaper in comparison to the black diamond. And the benefits are that it is foldable, it is shorter, that's good for shorter people. It weighs less, so if you want to save on weight, you can buy this to save weight, but keep in mind you risk durability. So yeah, that was the video for the Micro Vario Carbon Lady. Next up I will be filming the Micro Vario Carbon Anti-Shock, and that one is unisex, or for men, male, or taller people. But yeah, that's coming up next. Thank you for watching. If you find this useful, please like and comment that it was useful. And I am trying to make my videos better and shorter, but it's just something I need to get used to. And English is not my first language as well, so keep that in mind. But yeah, I hope you find this useful. Do keep in mind that when you order this, it comes in this package, just attached to a cardboard, and the bag comes here. You do get information here about the pole, and also behind this you also get extra instructions, but that's the only instruction you get with these poles unless you go look online. But yeah, if you live in Europe or in the Netherlands, you may get a package that looks like this. Maybe in your country the packaging may look different, but this is how it looks in Europe or in the Netherlands. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Yeah, that's nice.